guys, so get ready with me. So mamayang gabi na lang yung skincare kasi makeup muna. So, i-ano ko muna yung buhok. Brush. Sin ko muna. Transition. Joke. So, pwede na yun. Tinatamad ako. So, i-clip ko. Kasakit. Ay. So, next side. So, yan. Starting the story time now. So, like, i-story time ko yung mga friends. May story time akong real friends, fake friend naman. So, nilalamig ako. So, dito na ako. So, like, almost all my friends are fake besides the real one. Hindi ko na i-mention. Baka mag-start ang away. Pero, yun, FO na kami. So, nag-start ay nag-chat yung crush niya sa akin. And as curiosity got into me, sabi niya, kanina ba ako bagay? Eh, sabi ko, hindi ko kalala kung kanina siya bagay. Kasi, nakalimutan ko pangalan ng crush niya. Ulitin ko nga. And like, chinat ko yung friend ko kasi siya yung may alam na pangalan ng hinahanap kasi nakalimutan ko kung sinong babae yan. Consider. Tapos, she said that she doesn't want to give a fuck. And wala na rin siyang pake sa akin. Walang pake sa kanya. I understand, but grabe, mura agad. And I said, okay, I'm sorry. Very sorry. And like, wala akong pake. Stop mentioning me to her. Sabi niya. And like, girl, sorry, I just mentioned her name. His name. Kasi girl, puro lap life yung patungo niya. And so, dun siya nag-start na mag-freak out. Like, dun siya nag-start na, Chloe, shut the fuck up. Pero hindi naman ganun na. Chloe, stop mentioning me to her. Oy, ako guys. Pero yes, nagmura siya. At may courage pa nga siyang sabihin na porket crush ko siya, may mention mo sa akin? Girl, wala akong pake na crush mo siya. It's just like a boy. You'll find your real love in like high school. And like, nung may sinabi siya sa akin, di ko na siya sinendan. Kasi my anger issue would never. Hindi naman sobra sa, wala naman ng anger issue. Like, inaano ko lang, hina-hide away ko na lang sa pag-ignore. Because I'm sorry, that's how, and that's what I am. So, that night, nag-sorry na ako na that I mentioned him because I didn't mean to mention him. Because I didn't know that she was in a bad mood. And like, again, she has the audacity to like end our friendship. And so, I go on social media and say, FO na lang kaya tayo? Yes, FO na tayo. Di ako marunong mag-makeup, guys. Kasi nag-sorry na ako, like, when nag-sorry na ako, dun siya nag-note siya ng Spanish. So, as curiosity got into me, of course, I Google translated it. And she said, and Google translated said, so, curiosity again. Sabi ng Google, wala akong pake. This friendship is over. So, yeah. Of course, girl, I blamed it on me. Oh, may mold. So, yun lang. Thank you.